In this video, I will show you how to set up Steam Family Sharing so you can share your game library with friends and family. Now, to do this, you want to make sure that the people that you are going to invite to your family are already friends on Steam. So to do that, what you want to do once you've opened up Steam and logged into your account, if you come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto Friends just up here, and then you're going to see an option to add a friend. So give that a click. What you can then do, you can see we've got a quick invite link down here, so you can copy this and send it to anyone that you want to invite to your Steam family. Now, once they've accepted your friend request, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Steam, click here on your name where it says Manage Account, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto account details. From here, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto family management. So by setting up a Steam family, this allows you to share your Steam games with up to 5 other household members. If you invite any children, you do have parental controls as well, which you can manage to provide more control. Now from here, what you want to do, you're going to see 2 options: to join a family or create a family. So what you want to do is click the create a family option. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter the family name. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor's Family. And then what you want to do is click onto the create button. And once that's done, you'll be taken to this screen here. From here, you can start to invite members to your Steam family, so you can start sharing your Steam library and games with other family members. So what you want to do is click the blue invite member button, and then what you need to do is click the button which comes up, which says search friend list. From here, you can choose any of your friends. So this is where it's important to add family members as a friend on Steam first. And once you've done that, you've got the option to invite them as an adult or as a child. So in this case, I'm going to invite this person as an adult, and then I'm going to click the invite button. Now you can see it says invite pending. So what they then need to do is log into their Steam account, and if they come and click onto the notifications bell at the top, they can then go ahead and accept the invite to join the Steam family. Once that's done, if you come back into the family management screen, you can see at the top we've got the library option. So if you give this a click, you can see all your games library that you can share with your friends. There are some games that may be excluded, but the majority of Steam games can be shared. You've also got a request feature, which is more so if you invite children to your Steam family and they try and purchase something, you're going to get a request to approve or deny that purchase. And you've also got some other things you can do, like view the playtime and history for your different accounts. So that is how to set up a Steam family. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.